Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Alexander's Ragtime Band is the song that really started Irving Berlin's career. It was published in 1911 and it caught the mood of the time, and as he continued to do for over 70 years. He died at the age of 101, having written over 1,000 hit songs, including White Christmas, Nobody's Like Showmers, and many, many more. He didn't know any music theory and could only play the piano in one key, but he bought a special keyboard that changed the key automatically. The melodies, he said, just came out of thin air. Sadly, his first wife died of cholera on their honeymoon, but he later fell in love with a Roman Catholic debutante called Ellen Mackay, and they married in secret. Her father strongly disapproved and reportedly disowned her, but he finally came round, and Irving was able to help him out financially when the stock market crashed. I'll sing the song and then I'll go through all the chords as usual. Come on here, Alexander's Ragtime Band. Come on here, it's the best in all the land. They can play a bugle call like you've never heard before, so natural that you want to go to war. That's just the bestest band of them. My handy lamb, come on along, let me take you by the hand. Up to the man who's the leader of the band. And if you care to hear that Swanee River played in ragtime, come on here, Alexander's Ragtime Band. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, and if you want to hear that Swanee River played in ragtime, come on here, Alexander's Ragtime Band. Well, this is in the key of C, so you've got your usual three chords: C, F, and G7. But you've also got a D7, and I'm using here the Hawaiian D7, which is easier. You've also got some possibilities. Playing the C chord, for example, instead of here, when you go to war, playing it here at the 7th fret. That's the same notes as the C chord here, but played at a higher position. As you can see, it's a G shape. Moves up to the 7th fret, and that gives you a C chord. I've also got this diminished 7th chord, which is two ways of playing that. You can play it in separate fingers like that, or you can play it with a bar at the 2nd fret. You don't have to do this, but it sounds nice if you go up, slide up, like that. Or you can do the same thing with the bar chord. Whichever you find easier. I'll go through the chords. Come on here, C, come on here, G7, Alexander's Ragtime, C, C7. Come on here, it's the best in all the land. They can play a bugle call like you never heard before. Stay or go up, so natural that you never heard before. You could even play the tune here. That's just the bestest band of G7, I'm my honey lamb. That's repeated. C, come along, let me take you by the C, C7, F, F, who's the man, who's the leader of the band. And if you care to hear that C7 driver, F here. Now, or slide up. Come on here, Alexander's Ragtime Band. There you have it. Well, I hope you found that interesting, and I hope you try out some of the less usual aspects of it. But whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.